All of us have our myths, and if we are aware of ours and can learn what others are, we can become more effective as leaders very quickly. Myth: the best CEOs excel in strategy. The flood of articles about successful CEOs so often talk about a unique business strategy that they don't really talk about the rest of what makes the business successful. It's understandable that outsiders look at the strategy, which is unique, and are fascinated by it, and it is important, but what they miss is the three things that successful CEOs all have in common, and strategy isn't one of them. They are picking people, encouraging distinctive execution, and building a culture that wants its people to succeed.